Good afternoon, dear student. Today we are going to offer you free IELTS courses as well as full fund scholarship in USA, Canada, Australia. If you like to, we are going to select our scholarship student who uh, will be offered free courses. আমরা অফার দিচ্ছি আমাদের স্টুডেন্টদেরকে সম্পূর্ণ বিনা খরচে আইএলটিএস কোর্স এবং বিনা খরচে বহির্বিশ্বে পড়ার সুযোগ দিচ্ছি আমরা। সো আমাদের যারা আমাদের স্কলারশিপ প্রোগ্রামে সিলেক্টেড হবে তাদের জন্য আমরা বিনা খরচে কোনো টাকা ছাড়া বিনা খরচে ওয়ার্ল্ডের ফেমাস ইউনিভার্সিটিতে পড়ার সুযোগ করে দিব বা গাইড করবো কোনো ফুল ফান্ড স্কলারশিপে এবং আপনাদেরকে বিনা খরচে ফ্রি আইএলটিএস কোর্স ওভার। So আপনার from around the world you can take a challenge. We will provide you free courses for the talented students who are very talented and who have finance problems from Pakistan, from India, from Caribbean country, from some Asian country who like to study with full fund scholarship. We are going to offer them full fund scholarship and full pre-IELTS courses. If you have 7.5 in IELTS, you will be eligible to fly with full fund scholarship any country in the world. So we are helping you. You can contact with us. If you think yourself that you are eligible to have full fund scholarship, you don't have money from Pakistan, from India, from Sri Lanka, from Iran, from Dubai, Qatar, Muscat, some all over the world. If you like to study world famous university with full fund scholarship, we are going to help you. We are going to provide you English language courses, IELTS courses, and you should have 7.5 score in IELTS. Then you will be eligible to apply for scholarship. You will be eligible to. First thing is that you must have your good academic result. That means college education you have to complete it, school education you have to complete it with 70% result. 70% result is eligible for you. Then you must have IELTS score 7.5. No less than 7 score in an event. We are providing you full free IELTS courses. Anywhere in the world you can join with us. Thank you. Contact with us to participate our free classes.